Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Lindsay and this is Boy Mom Loves to Save. Happy Wednesday. Thank you so much for being here, spending time with me today. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Today I'm going to be stuffing for a new car, but of course I have other things that I need to get to first. With the first being my husband's stuffing. This is his money for in here, and this adorable book was created by Janelle at Janelle Ray Budgets, and we have 148 here today. Get that colored in, and then let's see what we have in here. It should just be the 2 weeks worth, and 10-5. And it is Monday. The boys' school got canceled for tomorrow because it's supposed to be like -25 here. And I only was supposed to work half day, so I had to call off because my husband is going to be working all night. So he won't be able to stay up all night all day with the kids. They did not have school today, but they went to the day camp. And then I noticed today, but it's Monday, so my Monday video went live, is that I know I had said that Saturday they were bummed because they were not able to play with their friends, or their cousins, I mean, and on Saturday because they were all sick with the stomach bug, and that I took them to the trampoline park, and I uploaded it, had everything ready, but I forgot to set the time for my Saturday video. So when this goes live, I'm actually gonna have it up on Tuesday, so it's gonna be up the day before this. I don't know why I did everything but that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just noticed it today, and I was like, well, that other one just went live, so I didn't want to do 2 back to back like that. So yeah, I don't know what I was thinking, but 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 5, 6, 7, 307. Okay, only 119 there. I was like, wait a minute, because this should be 594 when it's done for the second one. All right, and then of course what I've been doing is $100 into this for taxes. So I am gonna do today, where is that marker? There it is. I am gonna do 25, 50. That's not what I wanted to do. Yes, it is. 25, 50, 70, plus 30 is 100. There we go. All right, 1975 when it's done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. I think that's 1,800. But I didn't realize I was trying to make change. Today was a holiday, and so the bank was not open. So I have a ton of 20s here, and I was going through binders trying to find it, or find change, and I had no clue I had all these in here. So I'm just gonna do this real quick. That makes me happy. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There we go. Okay. So there's that. So those 2 things are done. And then I want to do some money into holidays. So what I'm going to do first is one of these cards. Start these cards from Ren at Mischief Managed Budgets. And let me grab my scratcher tool real quick. And my voice keeps going out. I don't know why. So that one is 8. Let's move this. I'm kind of trying to keep track here. 8, and then let's see, what can we do here? 8 and 7 is 15. So we're gonna add 15 into here. So let's go plus 7. And we're gonna go 10, 5, but I'm going to put these 2 10s back and take a 20. I try to keep this binder as condensed as possible. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 165. And then next, is that going all the way back to Mother's Day? Okay. I actually, on today, because I was off of work, and the boys were at the day camp, I went and got quite a bit of their stuff for Valentine's Day. I like to get stuff that they need, a couple shirts. I did get a little bit of candy, but I try to get practical things that they need for the most part. But yeah, I got most of it. I just didn't find any shirts yet because I did notice a lot of the winter stuff was going on clearance, and the spring stuff wasn't really out yet. Ooh, I just drew all over there. Now I'm gonna have it on my hand. So that's gonna be plus 10 that we're adding into Mother's Day. This one's 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30. One more week of this challenge. And then for Father's Day, what I did is I got these three. It came in a set from Cats Ate My Budget, and I thought they were adorable and doable amounts. So you can roll and save or set an amount for each one. $36 there and $90 here. So we're just gonna start with this one right here, and we're gonna keep with the theme of $10. So that is another 10. So we're up to 35. I like to do roughly 100 when I do this binder. Whoopsies, throwing money around. 20, 40, 60, 80, $100. We're gonna put that there and here. All right, and that is 4, 2, 3, 4, yep. Put one back and take a 5. So this one is 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 220, 230, and 235. So we'll leave that set there. Anniversary. Getting close on this one. Let's just grab this blue. I don't know which one I used for it. Okay. Put 10 back and take a 20. So this one's up to 40. I'm going to put all this back in here. And then Halloween. Let's grab that black. I'm going to do 5. Back and take a 10. So this one is at 35. Uh-oh. I did not add the 10 here for date night plus 5. I think that's where I'm at. All right, Black Friday is going to get 5. So this one's at 30. Let's add that in. Okay, so it looks like I have quite a bit of money that I can do. So let's see what we can get on here today. I'm going to leave it messy so that I know how much to add, but we're going to add 15 here. Plus 10 and 10. So that's at $94, and that is $15, $25, $35 going in. $20, $35, but we're gonna add 10 and 20 for another 20. So Christmas is at 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 190. There we go. And then Valentine's I was done for, and Easter should be good for now. All right, get that out of the way. and that, which then brings me to the new car binder, or car maintenance, or however it goes. This one, I think I'm just going to do one scratch on here today. Because this has some larger challenges in it, this being one of it, but maybe I can complete something. So let's put, if it's 15, put 5 back and take a 20. This has 1, 2, 3, 400 in the high yield savings. So that's 500, 600, 650, 670, 690, and $700. This one is getting there, but I think I have some larger numbers on here still. Yep, because that is 45. 20, 40, and 5. So this one is 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95. $395. And I forgot to get my dice out, but it is right here. There we go. There it is. Let's move all these. Move this up a little bit, and then what I'm going to do is scratch one, and then we'll do the multiplier. So that's going to be 3 times 3 is 9. Let's see. 9 plus 4 times 2 is 8. And let's go one more time. 8 times 2 is 16. So we're going to add 16, and so that's going to be 33 going in here. $20, $30, 1, 2, and 3. 20, 40, 60, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. And I was not supposed to count that because that is a multiplier. That's okay. And then here, let's get one of these markers that I can write with. And I was doing the D12, which is right here. Oh, well, I guess if I'm writing it down, I can remember. 6 and 11 is 17 and 8. So that is 19, so that's $25 going in. $25. Oh, this one I don't count either. All right, now I need my book over here and a marker. I ended here. Okay. Was I rolling? I think I was rolling a 6-sided die. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Red is 15. Red space, you ran the light, say the determinant, and go back 3 spaces. If you land on red again, pay determined amount again and move another 3 spaces back until you no longer land on a red. 1, 2, 3, so that's 30. 1, 2, 3. So that's gonna be $40. But I wanna know that I ended there. So let me get a marker real quick. Okay, I'm going to use this as my space that I marked. So 15, 30, $40. Woo! So that one roll got me. So $40, 20, 40. This one has 20, 40, 60, 80, $105. And then next up is Danny's challenge here. Let's get that out. And the money. $16, $10, $15, and $16. But let's do this. I think those 5s are getting low. That's $42. This one I know has big numbers because there's not many scratches for $300. Let's go here. $55, $20, $20, $40, $55, $2, $4, $6, $80, $90, $105. Whew, 2 scratches and it's got that much already. All right, and then here, I'm working on so many big ones. At first I was thinking I was going to use a D20, but I'm going to do a D6 because I have so many large challenges going on and I'd like the money to get to the bank. So let's write D6. So that's going to be 6 and 11 and 12. 10, 11, 12, and that is a roll one, so we'll be surprised at the end, plus it's a mystery amount. Sticker challenge, I am doing, I believe, the multiplier, so let's do a small one just in case I can get some stuff completed today, but I want to get through everything at least once. So this I think is the smallest amount. 3 times 5 is 15. So we're gonna add 5 and take a 20. So 20, 40, 60, 80, and 90. Cruising. The money. All right, scratches. $52 is what that says. 20, 40, I think that's 40 there, yeah, 40, 50, 1 and 2, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. Do it that way. All right, and then I added this one in from Lemon Ivy, and this is Save 65. Where did my scratch tool just go? There it is. And 7 is 15. We'll start this one with 15. Cute. All right, now we're gonna move this out of the way and get, where'd it go? This book out from our Hometown Treasures. I love all the books on there. I want to buy them all, but I can't until I get this one finished. And I'm still on page 1 because I am doing this as a multiplier. So let's go. I'm not gonna color them in. Let's do 2 times 3 is 6. 8 times 1 is 8. 6 is on a side. 6 times 3 is 18. And then 7 times 2 is 14. And 8 times 2 is 16. If I said those all correctly, I don't know. I'll catch it in the editing. So 62 to finish this page. I will color it off camera because it will take way too long. 16, or no, 60, 62, 20, 40, 60, 1 and 2. So by doing the multiplier instead of just saving the amount, this should be total saved once completed is 100 plus the $20 bonus. So 120 is what it would be. I saved 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 221, and I think there's a tracker on the back, but I want to get that money to the bank. So page 1 is 221. Nice. So what are we gonna start next month? Will be this one, and it says each convertible is worth $2. For every $2 saved, color in a convertible. Do not do this until the page is completed. All right. So this will be 70 plus bonus. All right, I just wanted to see what that was real quick. All right, move that out of the way. Move that to go to the bank. Now, let's first, I think I can complete this. Okay, so it is 105. Do that is 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 105. All right, let's make sure this is 500. 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 500. Okay, good. I feel good getting some of this money to go to the bank. I don't have much left, but I can do that, or let's see what we get on here. Five. One, 2, 3, 20, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 5. Oh, you know what? Let's see what we get here. I have a feeling I might get an IOU. Oh. So that is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow. So this one finished with 20, 40, 5, 50, 5, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one was 65, and I am not waiting until the entire challenge is complete for it. I am going to, or for every one of the cards that I complete, I put it in the bank. Oh, it looks like this is my last one for that challenge that we will start next month. Okay. So yeah, I don't like all that money sitting in here, so I put it in the bank, the high yield savings account. And then here, how I'm doing this challenge, instead of doing 5 per circle, what I am doing is just the rest of my money is just taking up one of the circles for a little catch-all. So this one has 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. All right, so I made it through. It shouldn't be too long with everything that I got done today, but that is it. I want to say thank you so much to each and every one of you. I appreciate you all. I hope everybody has a great rest of the week, and stay warm. Tomorrow is Tuesday, so the day before this goes live, it's supposed to be like a negative 25 here. So hopefully you all stayed warm, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.